What's up, what's up? Gonna be a short little stream. We're just gonna open up this pack and that's it. Alright, so let's get it going. Turn my mic up just a little bit. Alright, here we go. We're gonna open up the pack. Alright, let's go. Okay. Okay. Alright, last one. Okay. I mean, not the greatest pulls, but I mean, I got to add to my collection. So, I mean, at least I got the little stream out of the way. Haven't streamed in a while. Probably won't be streaming any video games for a while. I'm not sure when I'll be doing that again. But I will be streaming every now and then whenever I pick up a NFT pack, whether it be NBA, NFL, UFC. Whenever I get a pack, I'm going to be opening them on stream. So something else to put out for new content, and hope you guys enjoy it. If not, I'm sorry, but that's going to be my content for now. It's kind of what I'm focusing on, NFTs. So thank you for watching if you're here. Appreciate you guys, and until the next time, have a great one, and check out this new outro. Peace out.